Here are some simple techniques and popular remedies that you can discuss with your doctor. 1. Blinking regularly. Blinking is something we tend to take for granted, but consciously blinking more regularly is recommended by the AOA to help with dry eye. Blinking helps renew tear film, which is important in protecting and moisturizing eyes. Spend a lot of time looking at a computer screen? This tip goes double for you. Healthy people blink about 10 to 15 times a minute, but that average can drop by half or more if you're staring at a screen. 2. Frequent computer breaks. Many jobs require hours in front of the computer on a daily basis. Taking breaks to rest the eyes should be used in conjunction with intentional and more frequent blinking. The American Academy of Ophthalmology (AAO) recommends the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, spend at least 20 seconds looking at something 20 feet away. Since staring at things close up puts more strain on your eyes, this exercise gives them a little break. 3. Washing your eyes. If you have dry eye, give that area a little extra TLC when you wash your face. Cleansing your eyelids and the surrounding area with a mild soap or baby shampoo can help cut down on lid inflammation. Simply close your eyes and gently massage the area with cleaners and rinse with cool or lukewarm water. This method of washing is recommended before applying a warm compress. 4. Warm compresses. Applying a moist, warm compress to your eyes can help your eyelids produce more lipids, which can boost tear quality and relieve some dry eye symptoms, according to the AAO. Finding the sweet spot for temperature is key, not too hot but warm enough to be therapeutic. Make sure that you prepare your compress in an environment that is as clean and sterile as possible.